Hi everyone, I'm Cesar Augusto Suarez Bueno. I'm student of the Bachelor degree of Foreign Language Teaching with emphasis in English language. Today I'm going to share my teaching practice experience. So this experience is during all the this semester where some process allow me to bridge the gap between educational theory with the real classroom. During this study, we learn about some challenges, focuses on innovative strategies and enhanced oral communication. Well, in this part, I'm going to talk to you about the contest and the speaking and confidence challenge. The practice was developed in the colegio, the school Salesiano San Jose Mosquera. We worked with a large group of six degree students. During my classroom observations, I identified that many students have a significant issue that is very common in beginner levels. The issue was to find students that feel fear and they don't feel confident trying to speak the English, the pronunciation in English. So they felt so ridiculous when they trying to pronounce unfamiliar English sounds. The root causes identified were fear and negative evaluation, teachers and peers, anxiety about the peer ridiculous is created an hostile environment, and traditional public connection methods rise in the effective filter. So the challenge was that students avoided the speaking uh, scenarios to try to don't feel ridiculous or embarrassment. So that was the challenge that we found in this school. In the research proposal part, and in order to address this challenge, we as a group designed a proposal titled AI Pronunciation Feedback as an influence on students' speaking confidence in three blocks: explicit phonetic instructions, AI integration, and didactic transportation. Correction, didactic transposition. So we trying to implement an instructional model based on in the three pillars that I told you before. So in order to try to provide with clear visual and physical method to understand sounds and pronunciations, also trying to give an automated pronunciation feedback using some tools like Elsa Speak or traditional AI like Chat GPT or Google Gemini, that is a common AI. And finally, trying to regulate the errors before speaking in front of another people with didactic transposition in order to transform the complex phonological concepts in a ludic and meaningful interactive activities. We are talking about simulated maps, collaborative missions, and some gamified scenarios to make feel confident the students. Through the qualitative triangulation of our data using the zigzag method, we confirm that the systematic integration of AI feedbacks reduce the effective filter because the classroom climate was transformed from defensive um, vulnera- vulnerability into a safe space. Everything of this for sound experimentations where we found that mistakes were not longer seems of failures. It was seems to be like a more uh, natural pedagogical steps. And as a preservist teacher, in my opinion, this scenario and this experience taught me to in a good way. I that told me that the education and the sound language method must be balanced with technological innovations, with socio-emotional awareness, because sometimes teachers forget this part of the emotional environment that in the real life affects the students. uh, we are not just trying to make successful speakers. We are, as a teacher, we are building resilient, self-determined individuals, a better people for the future. Well, this is the final part of the video, and before say thank you and finish this video, I want to make another conclusion from my two experiences from the Liceo El Rosal and Mancillas Rural School, where I learned that we can use the the new technologies and merge with socio-emotional support that that is included in the law 2383 for of the year 2025 in order to create a new scenarios to make feel more confident the students. Also, we included some ideas from their own cultural environment, like Capieras del Tunjo, like the farms and the local town. And that in this part, when we merge all these ideas, uh, we we felt that the students suffer a complete transformation because they passed from the defensive and nervousness way to be so joy people and communicative students. This is a, a real environment that we empowered with these aids that this course and the practice gave us to learn and how to be a better teacher. And finally, I think that I understand that the mission of the teacher in the current days is not about demanding uh, theoretical classes or just teach grammar or specific topics for students. Is this scenario uh, is now, I think, is more challenges, have more challenges, and invite me to build and trying to afford to create a new ecosystem that allow me to empower the students to create new environments, educational environments that make easily the way to study, to learn new things, and make a better person, better people for the future. So this is all. Now I want to say thank you and see you in the next time.